Hey, what is up, everybody? I'm so excited. You already know if you could see my screen right now. Let me turn this game volume down. We are checking out the wave 2 of the Animal Crossing summer update. I'm so excited. I jumped to this Sunday to see what it's all about, and I'm so excited. Oh my god, look at Isabel in the plaza. I'm so excited. So if you guys are unfamiliar, every Sunday in August there's going to be a fireworks show. Red is going to be there. He's got like fun prizes, I've heard. You can do custom design fireworks, all sorts of fun stuff, and I'm super excited. I wanted to check it out. I've been seeing so many YouTubers make so many videos about it already, and I'm like, oh my god, I need to try it for myself. Oh my god, look, she's wearing the little headband thing. Tonight we'll be holding a special festival in the sky above our dear home, Lemon Bay. A fireworks show. There was more than fireworks. Chat with friends. Raffle. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, it's been a while since my job took me outside the resident services building. Cute! I really am glad that they decided to take her out of that building because I know a lot of people were mad that she doesn't really have much of a point in this game, which I can agree with. All right. Let's go. Oh my god, fun! Okay, let's go talk to Isabel first because I believe she gives us the headband. Oh my god, look at all my party peeps. Oh my god, yeah, I'm really glad that she's out of the building. I hope that they find other things for her to do. Hi! Oh, she has sparklers for everyone. So fun! Thanks, baby girl Marina. Okay, so let's put on our star bopper. Cute! Oh god, I gotta open my camera. Cute! Okay, let's look at these fireworks. Opening my camera. This is so fun, you guys. Wow. I can't wait to see what, like, custom fireworks look like. Okay, let's talk to Red. You're 2 steps away from the raffle. Everyone's a winner. Limited time, limited liability. I'm in. Reach into the box and pull out a ticket. Oh my god, cute! Blue balloon. Fun! Okay, yeah, let's go. I just want to see, like, everything we can get. Oh, a pinwheel! Fun! Oh my god, that little mosquito is gonna drive me crazy. Let's see what we get this time. Bubble blower! Yes! I saw that in the ad. That was so fun. Oh. That is probably the coolest thing ever. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what else we can get. So you have to click the box first for him to talk to you. Oh my god, Marina, she's so cute. Green balloon, fun. Oh my god, I love seeing all the villagers' reactions. It's so cute. Alright, let's see what we got this time. Red sparkler, fun. Let's keep going. I want to see what else we can get. 500 bells is nothing. Another friggin' mosquito. A tweeter? Oh, ketchup. So cute. Okay, let's try again. What do we get this time? Another red balloon. So it looks like there's 12 things you can get so far. The highest number I've gotten was 12. So let's see if we can get anything else new. Pink balloon. Fun. I love how he's like, oh, you're on a roll. Like, yeah, of course I'm going to get something every time. Fountain firework. Oh, we're going to try that. Ooh, Uchiwa fan? Okay, let's go look at all of our stuff. Okay. I also want to see what Nook Miles I just got. Probably has to do with the firework. Oh! Fun. Okay. So, first is the bubbles, which is so cute. And then, let's see, what else do we got? Blue balloon. Oh my god. That's everything. Green balloon. Oh god, I love the balloons. Can I just say that, like, you already know, like, those people that have, like, the horror islands are gonna take this red balloon and do, like, some sort of themed thing. Like, that's, like, everything. Okay, we got the bubble blowers. Let's see, the pinwheel. Cute! Oh my god, this was such a fun thing that they did. Tweeter? What's a tweeter? Oh! Oh my god. Is that not the cutest thing? Okay, what else we got? Red sparkler. Let's do it. That is so fun. That is so fun. Okay, the fan. Oh my god. Fountain firework. Okay, I want to do that for sure. Drop. Can I do it on camera? Because thumbnail. Oh, that was fast. Okay. So it looks like that's about everything we got. Let's see. Let's go talk to people and see what's up. Let's go talk to people. Catch up. Aww. Let's talk to Isabel again. Aww. Okay, wait. Custom designed fireworks. We got a firework idea. Oh, God. You know what? Let's do my bread. Oh my god. How long do I have? Do you know how long it takes for your design to come up? I don't have room for custom designs to make firework shows. So what Nintendo, I think what they should have done is given us more custom design space so we can actually like have more room. I'm so tired of not having enough space. It's really irritating. Okay, is my bread situation just not gonna happen, or did it already happen? So I got the star headband thing today, so I'm wondering if every Sunday you get a different one. Oh, I'm about to give up. Do you think it happened like right when I gave it to her and I missed it when I was running? Oh, there it was. Well, that was sad. Oh, okay. So let's go back to the little plaza and let's see if there's anything else. So what do you guys think of the new update? Please let me know what you think. I think it's really fun, but I'm glad it's just for the month of August, of course. I do think it's kind of one of those things where like it's one and done. Like every Sunday, I'm not gonna be like running around here looking at fireworks and hanging around doing the raffle because I feel like it's just gonna be the same items. I was kind of expecting a little bit more out of this update. The Dream Suite thing is really cool, and I can't wait to make a video trying that as well, but I don't know, I'm just not sure like how I really feel about this update. I had like higher expectations. It is really fun though, and the items are really cool. I was hoping for maybe some DIYs, maybe fun DIYs, or like I said earlier, more custom design space, something that like I really, really want. So anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big ol' thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video. Again, please let me know down below what you guys thought of this, and yeah, thanks for watching.